channel. So for today, we're gonna be making my favorite spinach pie. This stuff is gonna be made using this puff pastry dough, which you can find at the freezer section of your grocery store. And we're gonna be stuffing this pie with a ton of fresh spinach, fresh herbs, and feta cheese. And this will make the perfect party appetizer, or you can have a big piece of this for dinner if you like. Enough talking, now let's get started.
Looking back again.
I'm adding a half a cup of feta cheese to the bowl, along with 4 sliced green onions, a half a cup of ricotta cheese, as well as some chopped fresh dill and parsley. Now put this off to the side, and I'm going to be roughly chopping 2 bags of fresh spinach. This is about 4 cups. The complete recipe is written down below. All this fresh spinach is going to be mixed with that cheese mixture, and I'm going to try a bit to see if it needs a little bit of salt. Feta cheese tends to be a bit salty, so once you give it a try, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 eggs. Continue mixing it up, and once it's fully incorporated, I'm going to unwrap my puff pastry dough, which has been fully thawed out, and put the first layer down on a baking pan. I'm adding all of that delicious spinach mixture on top. Once it's spread out evenly and has a bit of space along the edges, I'm going to go ahead and add the puff pastry dough on top. Twist and squeeze the edges down to encase the filling, and once the borders are sealed, give this a nice brushing of beaten egg and a sprinkling of sesame seeds on top if you like. I'm slicing a few holes to allow the steam to escape from the spinach, and this is going to go into a preheated oven at 450 degrees for exactly 1 hour. Now once this is ready, the top and bottom will have a deep golden brown color. This is also incredible the next day if you reheat it in the oven, so feel free to make this the day before for a party. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on more of my quick and easy recipes, which are posted every other day.
You're never looking back again. I can get it, I can make it.